Hello and welcome to another episode of the India InsurTech Podcast. Today we have with us Sandesh Mishra, who's the founder and CEO of Bima Garage. Mr. Sandesh, welcome to on the show.
Thank you. Thanks a lot for having me here.
All right, excellent. So, Mr. Sandesh, let's start by briefly introducing yourself and your company, Bima Garage.
Yeah. So myself, Sandesh, I come up with the experience into banking and insurance of more than 15 years. And how we started Bima Garage? So it was like me and my co-founders, we were working with one of the leading health insurance companies in our country. And we thought of doing something on the claim side. And on 19th June 2018, we started Bima Garage. And what we do is that we come after sales and we do the claims part of health insurance predominantly, and then life and accidental policies as well as the overseas travel.
I mean, what you do is definitely exciting and interesting. So we would definitely like to know more. But in your opinion, what is the vision and mission of Bima Garage for the larger insurance community in India, and how does it aim to really transform the insurance industry?
Sure. As far as vision goes, we want to be the most trusted brand or organization when it comes to getting your claims processed or any of your insurance related grievance solved. So we wanted to be the most trusted name because that is something which is missing in the entire ecosystem. And when we talk about the overall mission, so mission is to integrate the healthcare ecosystem or the insurance ecosystem. How and who are the pillars of this ecosystem? So if we talk just about health insurance, then there is a manufacturer whom we call as insurance companies, the health insurance companies. Then we have distributors. There are different kinds of distribution channel like advisors, brokers, web aggregators, banks. There are 7 POSP. So there are 7 different kinds of distribution channel in our country. Third one is the consumer who buys this insurance policy through this distributor. And the fourth one, which is the most important part of this entire ecosystem, is the service provider, that is hospital. And there is a lot of lack of trust between all 4 of them. So we as a company, Bima Garage, we are trying to bridge this gap through various products that we have. So we have around 6 products with us. So our aim is to bridge this gap and build trust in the entire ecosystem. So the penetration of health insurance or overall insurance increases in our country.
Excellent. No, so I think you have taken on the challenge of solving for the higher insurance penetration in a different manner, and you also talked about technology helping you in a big way. So how has the adoption of technology really helped your company?
If you see the entire ecosystem, then technology has worked mainly on the sales. But when it comes to claims, insurance companies are more of towards the sales than building something on solving the claims problem. There are internal engines and other things which are been built. But what we did differently at Bima Garage, that we have gone to the ground levels. We met the customers, we met the hospitals, the distributors, and we worked on their pain areas. What are the pain areas? What are the gaps here? Because of which customer doesn't get what has been promised to him while selling an insurance. So we built BG portal, that is our flagship. It took us 1 year to come to a place wherein we made all the flowcharts and everything. That how should a technology work? How should it help the customer or the hospital or the insurance company as well, right? So then we built our first technology known as BG portal, which is a cashless portal which we give to hospitals, wherein you can process the claims of all the insurance companies. You can so from welcoming the patient till the reconciliation of payments, everything is done through that portal. That was the first thing that we built. Then we built a reimbursement claim portal, which is not at all there. So cashless, though there are few companies who are having the cashless portals, but none of them have a reimbursement portal. So we have made a beautiful reimbursement claim portal. Then we also have a mobile application for B2C customers, which is called as Hobnob. So you can just go to Play Store or App Store and download the Hobnob app. From there, you will get, as a customer, you will get 5 benefits, which starts from know your policy till getting your claims and looking at the journey of claims, having a repository kind of thing wherein you can keep all your insurance documents, claims document, medical files, everything. And we also help you in optimizing your claims. So this is what we have done on technology.
By doing all of this, you must be, collecting a lot of, data, from your customers and from the processes that you manage. So, what is the role of data and analytics, to your company in basically promoting much better, or what we call as informed decision making and improving customer experience?
Right. So, a very good question. So, I am very happy to share that we have developed the first AI tool that we call as KYP, which is Know Your Policy. That is helping direct customers. We are working with one of the leading brokers of our country. That KYP is used by them as well. It's an informative product which comes into picture once the policy is sold. So what we do, our technology, the data that we collected over the period of time has helped us to develop the tool, which is an automated tool, wherein you just click a picture or push your policy on our application, and within less than 10 seconds, I'll give you a KYP, which is Know Your Policy. It's a beautiful document which will help you in understanding your policy before going for any hospitalization. So that is one of the products that we have built. This is just the start. So we have a KYP, then we have developed a tool of medical underwriting as well, wherein we can underwrite medically what is the amount of claims that customer can get.
What are some of Bima Garage's key focus areas and in terms of continued growth and innovation in the insurance industry?
So we'll be completing our 5 years on 19 June 2023. So till then, we want to be there in a few of the B and C cities of the country as well. And we have a mobile application, which I talked about, Hobnob. So currently, we are 95% of our business is through B2B2C, right? So we want to come up as a brand of B2C as well. We want to create a brand which is directly serving the customers and get our mobile application accepted pan-India. So when we talk, we have more than our registered customers on our app in around 300 plus Indian cities, but the number is very small. So we look forward that we should have maybe a crore of lives on our mobile application and serve the people who are buying insurance and create more trust.
Sure. No, I wish Bima Garage all the best in the future as you head on and innovate and continue to build your story for the Indian market and the betterment of the Indian insurance community as such. So thank you so much for joining the India InsurTech Association as a member. So what would be your message to the community?
So I think that community is thriving, and I see Indian InsurTech Association getting more and more members or more and more people on board. With each passing day, I can see some action happening. So what I'll request is, so currently I see that more action is in the northern side of the country. So I'll request Indian InsurTech Association to be present or be more active in the western side of the country as well. And I will be definitely very happy if I can be of any help per se with to the community. And it's very good initiative because there are a lot of fintech communities out there in our country. But I see Indian InsurTech Association as one of the communities for insurance fraternity and people all around there. So it's good initiative connecting people like us, the small time founders of these startups with the big organizations out there. Thank you.
No, thank you so much for your comments and words of encouragement. That's all that we will have time for today, Mr. Mishra. We will keep chatting and we will keep interacting. Thank you so much. Have a good day.
Pleasure. Same to you.